Bro, this guy is angry. We have a helicopter. What? We all thought that was cops. Come on. Wanna race? Dualtron versus KuKirin G4 Max. Right there. Today we have organized a huge ride out and I'm really excited. I have the G4 Max here with me. I gathered every single tool that I have, so we are good to go. We're going to have Talaria boys, Surrons, and hopefully more KuKirins. I'm so excited. Oh man! What's up? We've got 2 more KuKirins. What's up? They both have a G2 Pro. How cool is that? Just look side by side, the KuKirin G2 Pro next to the KuKirin G4 Max. This is like not even half this scooter. Yo! We are getting more and more people. This is going to be such a nice ride out. He wants to try the G4 Max and I'm going to try his KuKirin G1 Pro. Let's do this. Oh my god. We've got the G1 Pro right here, okay? How does he like it? Push it, push it. Yo, the G1 Pro is actually cool. Whenever I offer my KuKirin to somebody, I'm so anxious. Yo, this guy just spawned. What's up? He's stunned by it. Okay. Just look at us. We're so many. Let's go. Bro, we've got cops on us. He's literally wheeling. Well, the cops are here. Just look at this. The cops are right here. And he's doing a wheelie right there. Bro, I'm gone. I'm not chatting anything with any cop. Cops are tricky. Yeah, we just wanna have a chat right now. And bam! Big fee on your ass. He was simply doing a wheelie next to the cop. Okay, let's move, guys. We should definitely not stay in the same spot. We should be moving every time. Let's go. One more Surron and the G4 right here. What's up? What's up? I was not expecting those many kids to get out with their bikes. That's awesome. Bro, what is this guy doing? Let's go. Lock in, guys. This ride out is going to be crazy. Nah, we are going downstairs again. Okay, we are choosing the easy way now. Yo! I was tripping on the stairs. Yo, what's up with those bikes? Yo, actually? What the hell is this? Yo, what? This is not a throttle? Okay, I guess. Bada bing, bada boom. This is so tight. Okay, bro. Bro, that was so close. Dude, this guy is a legend. I really hope you guys enjoy this kind of ride outs. This is not Romania anymore. This is LA. Wow. Yo, that's so close. Damn! It is so nice because I can keep up with them. He's doing a wheelie. He's doing a wheelie. Wow! Bro, this guy is angry. Yo, he was so pissed. Bro, we have a helicopter. What? Okay, that was random. Let's spin the wheels. Let's spin the wheels. Those are some of the wildest streets of my town. People here are simply wild. Yo, he's on the G4. Why is everybody going so fast? Let's go full speed then. They all know how to do wheelies on their scooters. I'm the only one who doesn't. This is such a vibe. I mean, just riding on the streets when the sunset is on the sky. I bet most of you guys enjoy this kind of view. Yes! Come on, come on! I'm living the dream, guys. How about you? Oh my god, we all thought that was cops. We are all ready to run away from this place. Okay, that was just an ambulance. Skanderberg, let's see. Do you think you're gonna win? Okay, he's not confident. 3, 2, 1, go. Bro, he's actually so... Bro, he's actually strong. Easy strategy. Let him struggle and then pull it as hard as you can. Next. Come on. Come here. Do you think you're gonna win?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go. Yo, he's like... Oh my god. Bro, he was actually so strong. Yo, big shout out to this guy. He's actually so strong. No way. I was not expecting that much power. Good game, man. Good game. Do you think you're gonna win?
Yeah.
Okay, he's confident. Let's go. Yo, how are they so strong? Oh my god, those kids are so strong. They're doing 1v1s here. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? He's gonna win. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Yo, this is... Wow, we've got a winner! And yet I beated him. That was so nice. 3, 2, 1, go! Yo, he's cheating! Come on! Yo, he's the GOAT! He's the GOAT! He's the GOAT! Come on, man! He's the GOAT! I was not expecting this game to be fun. I have no idea how many of you guys recognize this guy. He was in the G4 versus G2 Master video. What's up? Man, he's a legendary guy. That video made 10k views. Damn. This is a cool bike, not gonna lie. He's gonna try my G4 Max. And he's gone. Oh my god. Yo, police just passed by. That's a BMW police car. If they wanna catch us, nobody's going to stop them. They all enjoyed the G4 Max so much. We have the occasion to see the new KuKirin G2 Pro. It's looking really nice. One motor, it has 9-inch tires. The suspension is really smooth. Not gonna lie, this is pretty cute. Maybe KuKirin will send it to us. The sun is down, but it's fine. We still have visibility. Wow! I think this is going to be a new type of video. Simply rideouts. I'm also going to help a friend out because his G4 is cooked. This guy is so wild. The G4 Max is the most fun scooter I have just because I can keep up with them. If most of your friends have Surrons, the G4 Max is the way to go. It is also way cheaper, like 2,000 euros less. They're gonna do some wheelies right here. That's so cool. This guy really knows what's up when it comes to wheelies. Ooh, those tires smell so bad, man. Big shout out to those kids. This video wouldn't be possible without them. Ooh, that hurt. I guess physics don't apply to them.
Bună ziua.
Do you guys have this kind of squad in your city? This is fun. No way he climbed that. Dude, that's so steep. Those bikes are so powerful. Dude, that's like this steep. Like, literally this steep. Wow, dude. Imagine failing that. Oh my god. Oh, he almost fell. Alright, we are going to help the guy with the G4. Yo, he's got the dualtron. Wanna race? Yo, we are going to race. Dualtron versus KuKirin G4 Max. Come on. Yo, no way! Yo, dualtron is so fast. No way, dude. He's gone. That was wild. Okay, actually dualtron scooters are nice. I don't know how waterproof are they. Yo, I found them. So they both have the KuKirin G4 and his G4 is cooked. Show me the steering.
Like this.
Bro, oh my god, he's so stiff. What's up? Let's fix his steering because, dude, this is cooked. So get your WD-40 Specialized. This is with silicone. Open this thing up, this red pipe right here. Turn to the right at maximum and simply apply some right there. Now turn it to the other side and do the same exact thing again. You have to simply move it left and right a few times. Okay, this is much better. And now for the springs, give it some spray right there. And do the same exact thing in the back too. For some squeaking types, you might actually have to spray with WD-40 up here, at the very top of your suspension. Pretty much it. Now he's good to go. He had some squeaking on those two bars, and I just tightened it with an Allen key, and now he's just fine. Just look at that. He's fine. Wish you the best night ever. Be careful. Those kids know what's up. That right there is how you fix your G4. Not many of you guys know this, but this is where I recorded my very first video as a short. Man, this road is so beautiful. And the sunset on the sky, man. Oh my god, this scooter is so nice. Come on, let's go. Whoa! Oh my god, dude. Let's switch to mode 3. Mode 3, baby, come on. It is the same. Many of you guys told me to switch to Mode 3 because it's faster, but no, it is pretty much the same. Wow! I really hope you guys have this kind of road in your country. It is such a vibe to ride on it. I want to thank you guys so much for watching till the end of this video. This was actually one of my favorite Rideout. You are absolutely amazing. And stay tuned.